Hello, this is Ari from Kapel Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about how we were able to add significant value to an apartment building. We were doing some analysis on a macro level and saw that there was strong economic indicators, job growth and population growth in a certain region in Pennsylvania. So we decided to buy an apartment building. We noticed that there was an opportunity to make significant upgrades to the building and also to command higher rents. Right when we took over the building, we had a tenant appreciation party because we really wanted to get to know the community in the building, how they were feeling, what they liked about the building, and also very importantly, what we could improve about the building. The three key things that the tenants did like are security, because they needed to have a key to get into every floor. They really liked that there was air conditioning and heat that they can control from their own unit, which was really a competitive advantage versus a lot of the different apartments in the area. And three, they really liked the laundry facility, both the cleanliness of it and the pricing of the laundry. And there were three issues that the tenants didn't like as much. One is really the appliances and the air systems and the timing associated with doing the maintenance of those items. The parking situation, because there was not enough order. There was a lot of chaos in the parking lot. And the third is really a sense of community cohesiveness, which we're going to talk a little bit about later. To address the issues, we formed a relationship with a local appliance company and really laid out what appliances, how many, and what units to really put together a plan in order to get good pricing. For the parking lot, we painted lines and we put numbers so there would end the chaos that was happening in the parking lot, and the tenants were very happy about that. And the sense of community cohesiveness, we really started in a good place in terms of the tenant appreciation party, where we had food, we had music, we had raffles and prizes, and the community got to know itself a little bit better. And the people that showed up to that tenant appreciation are precisely the more engaged tenants that you really want to have in your building. We got to know more of the community and were able to see what they were talking about. In summary, our apartment turnaround plan that we executed was 10 new appliances, 4 new HVAC systems, 14 assigned parking spaces where we were collecting rent, and we also had 11 unit turnovers. So when you add all that up in numbers, we were able to increase gross rents by 15%. We were able to reduce fixed costs by about 8% by some energy optimization that we did. And the building is performing at a very strong rate. Where are we today? We added about $250,000 to the building in just 6 months. The building was worth around $780,000, but now it's worth more than $1 million. So where do we go from here? We've got a lot of upside in the year ahead. We plan to upgrade the common areas, add storage and storage units in the building, and we're always on the lookout to acquire new opportunities, new deals, and apartments that we can turn around. This is Ari signing off. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments below. If you liked it, share it with your friends and give a thumbs up. Thank you.